Hey, today is the day that I need my watch. Greetings. Welcome back to another clock update. Today is December 24th, Christmas Eve, and I thought I was due for another update on Season 2 of the Horcrux construction. Horcrux wooden clock, home design, home built, homemade, everything. And so I'm on round 2 of building this clock. I finished my prototype last year. You know that. Stop repeating yourself, Greg. I'm very tired. I've got a head cold and I don't feel good. So if I mumble, if I ramble, please forgive me. So, over the last 3 weeks, I have been cutting some parts. And let me tell you, I've been cutting some parts. I've been cutting the half-inch parts, which are mainly the clock frame and a few assorted pieces. I've been cutting these parts. I have enough parts to build 5 clocks. I did something I thought was pretty cool. I actually recorded time-lapse footage of every single thing that I did, all the work that I spent on this clock. I found a nice app that helps me record time-lapse easily. So that'll be coming up alongside this video. It's a nice 30-minute time lapse that condenses 3 weeks worth of work into 30 minutes. So if you think 30 minutes is a lot for you to digest, try cutting this crap out for 3 weeks. Anyway, this concludes the rough cut for the half-inch parts. Next, I have to do the rough cut for the 1/4-inch parts. It's the thickness. And, oof. That's just the frame pieces, my dude. That's enough frames for 5 clocks. What have I done? What have I committed to? There they are. So, I've got another basket down here with the rest of the parts. I'm not going to mess with that. Next, we're going to be, if I can get them. Here we go. These are all the pre-cut templates for the 1/4-inch parts. Got some gears. Our gear printing, yeah. Here's a big gear. Look at that gear. It's a big old gear. Look at that gear. Not metal gear, wooden gear. So I'm going to be gluing, over the next few days, I'm going to be gluing all these onto another big piece of wood and then rough cutting them out with my scroll saw, jigsaw. And then once I get them into manageable sizes, I'll cut all the fine details out on my scroll saw. I'm going to try to time-lapse all that too. In fact, I want to time-lapse every inch of this entire process. I think it would be fun to have that footage, whether you care or not. It's for me. It's for me. That way I have something to look back on and be like, man, remember when you were young and productive? No? Yeah, me neither. If I ever do this again, note to future Greg. Okay, this part you could skip ahead. This is a note to my future self. Future Greg, if you ever do this again, you need to optimize your templates so you don't have to cut them out like this. You can just slap them down on a piece of wood and go. Because look at what you did, my man. Look at what you did. That is all scrap wood. There's a pile of scrap wood that is taller than my children that I really can't do much with. I might, I don't know, I might try to build something out of that. I don't know, but it's all scrap wood. Look at all this wood, man. That's a ton of scrap wood. And don't even get me started on the sawdust mess. Filled up my shop vac full sawdust. So look at all this scrap wood, dude. My dude. You just got rid of your wood pile in the back by burning it all over the course of 5 years. And now you made this. You got to do better. You know you can do better. You got to optimize that template, dude. Less waste. There's too much waste. No good. That was expensive wood. You're getting ready to burn it or something. I don't know. Anywho. Ouch. So that is 3 weeks worth of work. Is cutting all this wood. And I don't know what the next few weeks holds, but we probably got a solid... Go back to work on January 4th. So I got like maybe 10 or 12 days. We'll see what we can get done if this head cold lets up. I would like to get totally done with the cutting and into the sanding by the time I got to go back to work. That's kind of my goal. Get for sure done with the cutting, goal number 1. Get into the sanding, goal number 2. I don't expect these clocks to be done until midsummer. There's just so much to do. I mean, look, I got to sand every single one of these by hand, and these are just the frames, right? Not mentioning all the little gear teeth. Luckily, I was in Aldi the other day getting some groceries, and I saw they had a Dremel, like a nice Dremel, for sale. So I got that for myself for Christmas. That way I can stop buying those cheap ones. Maybe the one nice one will last 5 clocks, whereas I got to replace a cheap one every clock. So we'll see. We'll see how that goes. Yeah, that's about all I got now. Head cold is blocking any real coherent, wrinkly brain thoughts. I just got smooth brain update right now. So, have a Merry Christmas, y'all. I'll see you in a few more days. Bye.